In Jakarta's main prison for drugs offenders, more than 3,200 prisoners are locked up in a space meant for just 1,000. Nearly 80% of them are drug users rather than dealers and were caught with small amounts of marijuana or crystal meth. Nana KOSIM is serving a 5-year prison term for possession of 1 gram of marijuana.
I don't think someone who used drugs should be punished like this. I'm just a user, not a dealer.
The head of the prison is urging the government to find another solution. The government says nearly 60% of all prisoners convicted for criminal offences are drug users.
It would be better if it was clear they are only users and not dealers to send them to rehab centers. If they continue to be sent to prison, it will be more and more crowded.
But the head of the narcotics agency wants to send them to remote islands instead.
We don't need to build more prisons because they are isolated on an island. The sea makes it a fortress. If they try to escape, they will drown. They will train survival skills, live off everything nature has to offer, so they will become very creative and never think of using drugs again.
This is one option the government is considering.
We are indeed trying to separate drug users from other prisoners like terrorists because we don't want them to influence each other. Whether they will be sent to islands or somewhere else is still being discussed.
An estimated 2 million Indonesians regularly use marijuana. Large fields of the substance are found in Aceh. The law here does not differentiate between soft and hard drugs. This should not be the case, according to activists from the Marijuana Association. These protesters are demanding a change in the country's tough drug law. With many marijuana users in prison, they urge the government to legalize the substance. But in Indonesia, where possession of marijuana can lead to a 5-year prison sentence, that could take a long time. 5 prisoners died in prison riots caused by overcrowding in April. There'll be a debate on revising Indonesia's drug laws in Parliament later this year. Vaessen, Jazeera, Jakarta.